Ooh. Hello there, friends. It's your boy 728 Autos back with another video. What's going on behind me? Who knows? Alright guys, so I gotta make this video, man. I did something real dumb, so bear with me here. So I talk a lot of shit about people who get these Crackle Tunes, and guess what? Stay tuned. Alright, so the car's been sitting for a while, so let's go ahead and do a little cold start. Get that thing started. So for those of you who have not been keeping up with all the videos, first and foremost, shame on you. Secondly, I have an exhaust cutout on my car, so you can see the little, people been asking me what type of cutout is it. OTP, never heard of them, but here's the little remote for it. So basically it's a cutout right in the middle of the car here, so it bypasses the mufflers and obviously it makes it a little bit louder. So that's gonna play into the pops, etc, etc. What I'll do here is I'll drive around for a little bit. I'm gonna let the car warm up. That way I can give you guys the full spectacle. Really obnoxious, really kind of stupid. And I honestly, I do not recommend anybody do this to their car at all, but I just wanted to do it for the lulz, you know, for the laughs. And because actually shit's kind of fun, man. You know, I'm all for having fun, especially with your car. That's what the channel's for, man. So let's get these pops, let's get these bangs going, man. But yeah, so I know you guys see videos of people doing this stuff all the time. There are cars, some cars do it naturally. Like I said, this car does natural small pops. I do like how with this 10-speed, you can do 2 clicks and it'll snap instantly to the right gear. Let me see if I can get y'all some pops here in the secret parking garage location. Obviously, like the faster, more gas you give it, stuff like that, the louder the pops are. The longer I drive, the louder and worse it's gonna get because the exhaust is gonna get hot. All right, so I'm at a new location now. So remember how I said people with the Burbles and the pops tunes are kind of annoying? Let me go be annoying real quick. Oh yeah, we about to go dummy up in here, man. We about to go dummy. Yeah, this throttle sensitivity though. This throttle is like, I can't even just, why? There ain't that many people out here though, man. All right, so what I'll do is I'll kind of demonstrate what I'm talking about the RPM range. Right now we're at like crawling speeds, but going up these ramps. I don't know if first gear or second gear is better. Let me see. Oh man, this is a spot where it's good to come and get pictures, but not on the weekends because everybody and their mama be up here. All right, so one thing I haven't done is see what it does in neutral. Let me see. I know, transmission not in park. I know. Oh wow. All right. I like that. I like that. I ain't gonna lie to you. Man, y'all let me know if that was a good idea putting this Burble tune on here. I still think it's stupid, but I enjoy it. And I know it doesn't make sense, but I bet there's a ton of things that you enjoy that's probably dumb as hell, but you enjoy it. So just gotta let me have this one, y'all. Just gotta let me have this one. We better get these pops and burbles in while we can before they make all the cars electric. Ain't gonna be no electric pops. You're gonna get zapped. Boy, these folks be out here about to get ran over. Be walking reckless. Y'all gotta watch for y'all. You gotta look both ways. Shoot, I got insurance, man. I got that bodily injury on the policy, man. I'll go ahead and get your ankles, bruh.
Thing looks good, man.
Oh, thank you, bro.
I miss mine.
Yeah. It's weird. I mean, sometimes I want to get rid of it, and then sometimes I just can't.
Yeah, absolutely. You go for another drive, and it's like, damn, why did I even think of that?
Right.
I was moving a lot. I was like, fuck, I'll get a truck.
I know.
I want to get back into one.
Yeah. All right, you guys, if you liked the video, you know what to do. Smash the like button, subscribe button, hit the notification bell, everything. Hit everything. Leave a comment. Leave a like on your own comment. Appreciate it, man. I'll see you next video. Peace out.